Hello everyone, welcome back. I know your screen looks a little bit different today, but I wanted to use today to talk to you about what we saw in our weather graph yesterday. Okay, so before we do that, I want to discuss our guiding questions for the week. And they are, how is the weather now different from 2 to 4 weeks ago? And what do we predict the weather will do 2 to 4 weeks from now? Okay. Here on your screen, we can see all of our weather from October 12th until yesterday. I haven't logged today's yet. So in all of those days, we see quite the variety of weather. Just to tell you about what we have here, yellow bars are sunny, gray are gloomy or cloudy, and the blue are partly cloudy. Okay, now at the end of each bar, this is a bar graph, I have typed out the temperature for each day. Okay, I used the little star for our degree symbol because I don't have another degree symbol in our keyboard. Okay, but here we have quite the variety of weather. Now, over on the left-hand bar here where the dates are, you'll notice I have different colors. Okay, I did that to represent the different months. So you can at a glance look at where the dates are, and you can see if time of year happens to change the way our weather looks. Okay. Now, first I want you to think about what today is. What is today's date? Okay, today is November 10th. It's the month of November. We are well into fall. What do you think the weather should be like today? Now remember, we're going to go on a weather walk later and we'll see what's going on. This week is a unique week. But in November, we usually imagine the weather to be cool, crisp. We expect to see some leaves blowing around, but the air is usually cool and for the most part dry, right? Let's look at our weather. So at the beginning of October, it was 63 degrees. And then very quickly it cooled off and it got very cold. We got some snow. These stars here mean snow. So you had 4 days of snow at the end of October. And then all of a sudden something happened. What happened? Our temperatures started to increase. Our temperatures more than doubled. We went from 30 degrees, gradually yet pretty drastically, all the way up to 77 degrees, almost 80 degrees at the beginning of November. Do you think that's something that usually happens, or do you think that's odd? I think that's odd. It's not usually this warm. Now remember, this week is a unique week. What I'm doing is I am filming our weather walk videos the morning of instead of the night before because this week's weather is going to be so different. I filmed yesterday's just before it started raining, and then it rained almost all afternoon. Today, we're supposed to get some more drastic weather. Do you know what kind of weather we're supposed to get? We're supposed to get some snow. And though snow does happen in early November, it is still a little odd. But what I find more odd is that we are getting snow today when yesterday it was 67 degrees, and the day before that it was in the mid 70s. That's a pretty drastic swing for weather temperatures. And I, for one, would like to dig into why that happens and see what we can do to find out what's going on, quite frankly. So for your assignment today, I would like you to do some thinking and think about why you think the weather is as warm as it is right now. What do you think's going on to cause this to happen? Tomorrow we're going to come together and we're going to look at what normal weather temperatures are for this time of year, And we're going to see, frankly, what the temperature should be like. And I'm pretty excited about it because I'm excited to see the difference. Okay? I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.